In a world filled with chaos and distractions, finding peace and clarity can feel like an impossible task. We've all experienced the relentless pressures of daily life, leaving us overwhelmed and disconnected from our true selves. But what if there was a simple solution hidden in the depths of our own minds? Imagine a life where you can escape the noise, find inner peace, and achieve lasting results. A life where you can tap into your own limitless potential and unlock a state of deep focus and mindfulness. Today, we delve into the secrets of simple meditation to provide you with invaluable tools and insights. We will discuss the benefits of this practice and reveal how to stay committed, ensuring lasting results that can transform your life. Many people embark on meditation journeys without understanding how to set realistic goals and expectations. It's not just about finding a quiet space and closing your eyes. It's about understanding the power of consistency and intention. Setting realistic goals and expectations is crucial when meditating for long-term results. We'll guide you through the process, helping you define your objectives and create a roadmap for your meditation practice. But even with clear goals in mind, gaining focus during meditation sessions can be a challenge. You may have found yourself drifting away, lost in a sea of thoughts and distractions. Fear not, for we have the tools and techniques to help you reclaim your focus and deepen your meditative experience. But we can't do it alone. We need your support to continue creating valuable content like this. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. All right, let's get started. When it comes to meditation, there's no need to search for the perfect method or technique. In fact, keeping it simple is often the key to a successful practice. Meditation is not about achieving a particular state or mastering complex rituals, but rather about finding stillness and peace within. By simplifying our approach, we can embrace the essence of meditation without unnecessary complications. Before you begin your meditation session, take a moment to reflect on why you have chosen this practice over other activities. What motivated you to explore the world of meditation? By reminding yourself of your intentions, you anchor your commitment and set the stage for a more focused and purposeful meditation experience. It's important to remember that there is no wrong reason to meditate. Whether you seek stress relief, personal growth, or spiritual connection, any motivation can serve as a powerful catalyst for maintaining a consistent meditation practice. Now, let's talk about setting clear goals in meditation. Having a sense of purpose and direction can make each moment of stillness more meaningful and propel us closer towards our broader life goals. Take a moment to identify your specific objectives in meditation. It could be cultivating inner peace, increasing self-awareness, or improving emotional resilience. By defining these goals, you infuse your practice with intention and bring a sense of focus to each meditation session. Meditation is not a one-time event or a quick fix. It is a lifelong practice. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery and inner growth, it's important to recognize that meditation is not something you can simply check off your to-do list. It requires commitment and consistency to truly reap the benefits. One crucial aspect of meditation is setting realistic goals. Remember, your practice is unique to you, so there is no need to compare yourself to others or to your past experiences. Each meditation session is an opportunity for growth, regardless of how it may differ from previous ones. It's natural to experience ups and downs along the way. Some days, you may feel completely at ease and in the flow, while other days, your mind may be more restless or distracted. Embrace these fluctuations as a normal part of the process, and instead of dwelling on them, simply accept them and move on. As you meditate, it's important to detach yourself from the expectation of immediate results. Instead of constantly seeking profound transformations, learn to appreciate the small changes that manifest over time. It's often the subtle shifts in your mindset, emotions, and overall well-being that signify true progress. Managing expectations is crucial on this journey. Accepting things as they are and being okay with present moment allows you to cultivate a greater sense of peace and contentment. Understand that meditation is not about searching for something external. It's about connecting with your inner self and finding inner harmony. As you meditate, you may find that your mind occasionally wanders off course. It's important to be mindful of your thoughts and gently bring your focus back to the present moment. However, remember not to judge yourself or get carried away in self-criticism. Letting your mind wander is a natural part of the human experience, and it doesn't invalidate your practice. The practice of meditation goes beyond the act of sitting quietly and finding inner peace. It actually promotes emotional and mental growth. However, the journey towards a focused meditation session can be hindered by distractions. From the ever-present technological gadgets to the incessant chatter in our minds, external noise can disrupt tranquility we seek. Acknowledging and addressing these distractions is crucial to creating a peaceful and productive meditation experience. To reduce distractions, take a few moments before you begin your meditation session to identify what could potentially divert your attention. Is it the nagging notifications on your phone? Is it the constant mental chatter about your to-do list? By taking a quick mental check, you can consciously prepare yourself for a more focused practice. Sometimes our bothersome thoughts are rooted in future events or past experiences. If you find yourself preoccupied by these thoughts, consider taking a moment to reflect on them before meditation. By acknowledging and understanding these emotions, you can create mental space and allow yourself to fully engage in the present moment. Another helpful strategy is to write down any pressing matters before you begin your meditation session. By jotting down important tasks or concerns, you can put your mind at ease, knowing that they will be acknowledged and addressed later. This simple act allows you to focus more easily during your practice. Now, let's talk about setting the right environment for your meditation practice. Choose a quiet space where you won't be disturbed and create a serene atmosphere that encourages stillness and peace. Make sure to turn off any electronic devices that could potentially interrupt your session. Remember, setting boundaries is not selfish, but an essential part of self-care. Communicate to those around you that you need this time for yourself and kindly ask for their understanding and support. By establishing this boundary, you create a space conducive to deep introspection. Finding the ideal time for your meditation practice can make a significant difference in your ability to focus and minimize distractions. For many, early morning or late evening provides the quietest and least distracting moments. Explore different times of the day and discover when you are most likely to enter a state of calm and uninterrupted meditation. As you start your meditation session, set an intention to remain committed throughout the entirety of the practice, regardless of any distractions that may arise. Embrace them as opportunities for growth and gently guide your attention back to your breath mantra or chosen focal point. And with that, we come to the end of our video today. We hope you found our discussion on gaining focus during meditation sessions and setting up a meditation practice insightful and helpful. If you enjoyed the video and found the information valuable, we would love for you to show your support. Please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so already. We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comment section below. We love hearing from our community and learning from your insights and perspectives. Your engagement helps us create content that truly resonates with you. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting. Embrace the power of meditation, find moments of stillness and focus, and continue to nurture your inner growth.